ABC Mouse.
Wonder how I got into this explosive situation? Let's back up.
Oh, this is the 5th grade science fair winner.
It's magnificent, majestic, mountainy.
The winner is showing the class how it works today. I can't wait.
Who says we have to? Let's go!
Wait, ABC. Look at the symbol on the sign. It means stop.
Stop what?
Well, whatever is in the circle.
Oh. It made a sound.
It's just leftover bubbles.
That is not a just sound. It's volcanoing.
ABC! Careful!
I am extremely careful.
ABC?
I've got it! Okay, got it a little less.
We have to stop it! Oh, block it!
Whew! It's definitely doing something.
It's reacting. Mixing baking soda with vinegar makes a big, fizzy reaction.
Then let's make it really big.
Whoa!
Oh! I'm okay. Turns out 1, 2, 3 was right, as usual. So that's how I wound up getting shot out of a volcano. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. Whoops.
Look at that. Good as new. Ready for the next eruption.
It's just missing one thing.
That's very specific.
I like things to be clear.
ABC Mouse.